Hello guys, I'm going to make a short video on the Proline standard keyboard sustain pedal that I bought at Musician or a Guitar Center, Musician's Friend. One of those names. They changed it, I think, from Musician's Friend to Guitar Center or vice versa. I forget. Anyway, yeah, it's Guitar Center now. But anyway, I bought this sustain pedal. It's a cheaper one. It's about 15 bucks at Guitar Center. And my particular one, forgive the video, I had problems with it out the box, working quite like it was supposed to work. And so I set out to do some modifications on it, trying to make it work better. Initially, it had a metal wire that was inside of it that was controlling the sustain that connected in here, and that has long since broken completely. I tried, I had to rebend it a couple times trying to get it to work right. It works by touching and releasing on these two wires right here. And so what I did finally, before I trashed it, I decided to make some modifications of my own. The first thing that I did was I purchased this spring, which is a little bit more sturdier than the spring that comes with it. Gives you a little bit more strength on the spring. I just happened to purchase this spring for another project that I had, and it works well in here as well. So that was the first thing that I did, and along with the other wire, it helped a little. But like I say, eventually the wire that was in there actually broke, I guess probably from me adjusting on it so many times. It would just lose its strength, and it wouldn't sustain right. So I found this here works best taking a simple safety pin, making some slight bends at the base. Well, actually I cut the other end off of it, as you can see, and I made a slight bend here at the bottom, and then another bend about halfway up to where it's going to be in contact with this first metal bar here continuously until you depress the pedal. Then it's gonna depress down, and it'll touch the other one, and that's what's gonna make it sustain. Anyway, from here you can pretty much probably figure out how to put it back together, and this is actually what kept me from throwing this particular sustain pedal away. Almost, I came very close to doing that before I decided to try some modifications of my own, and this is what I came up with, and it seems to work. It works really well. Actually, this is my second safety pin after doing it the first time. I guess about probably 4 or 5 months ago, maybe 6 months ago, and I pretty much bang on my keyboard all the time. So now I got about 6 months or so out of the last safety pin that I had. Now I'm gonna change the safety pin, and we're gonna start over. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to see that. Thanks for watching.